He's far from China, but not beyond its reach. A young Uyghur too afraid to reveal his identity.
Because Chinese government can track you everywhere.
His is a story of pressure, and he shows us documents he was pushed to send to China. His Canadian address, copies of his ID, and something extraordinary.
And they even got my blood type and DNA.
So how'd this happen? Back home in China, his parents had been approached by police, curious about where he was. The implied threat? Get the information or they might end up in the detention camps.
But
He tells us authorities already had seized his parents' passports so they can't leave China. For him to go back might mean detention.
How will you see your parents again?
I can't see them in other countries.
Not just one man's worries, surveilling, separating families seems part of China's plan. The leaked documents outline how people are to be tracked or refused approval for visas. Some who've left the country arrested the moment they cross the border back. The bulletins note watching people with dual citizenship and point out 5 are Canadian.